No, my father, no, peace, mercy, and blessings of Allah be upon you. I apologize if I couldn't convey the information well to anyone, or if I couldn't explain it properly. But I promise you that what is coming, God willing, will be better. And God willing, I will present ideas that are worthy of the support you have given me. I will, God willing, be ready with you. I have a good set of ideas that will help us and help you make a living. And yes, the idea is about making a living. I'm talking to you while I'm next to the cold. I'm talking to you with experience. Yeah, I talk to you every day. A different video in a different way with meaningful content that needs people's support. An idea that needs people to share it with each other. I feel, folks, that we are making things difficult for each other. So let's make it easier for each other so that God makes it easier for us. The idea, as you can see, doesn't need philosophy or analysis. The whole point is that you buy the damaged boards like this, but by buying the whole device, you start extracting just one metal from it. That's all there is to it. It contains a percentage of gold. Yes, it contains a percentage of gold. It contains silver. Yes, it contains silver. It contains palladium. Yes, it contains palladium. But all of this depends on its brand, its artistic value, and its general capabilities as well. This feeling is not just the surface. No, it's gold. And I mean, it's really hard for someone today to say there are no boards. Doctor Who, if you type it on Google, it will show up. I hope, God willing, that I was able to present an idea to you, and may God reward me for it. I hope, God willing, that I was able to present to you a project that you can use to open another source of income, or add to an existing one, or improve your income. The important thing is that you benefit from it financially, benefit from it technically, and at the very least, you have seen all the devices I opened. I mean, I bring devices. I intentionally bring old devices. I intentionally bring strange devices. I intentionally bring devices that have a few things, so I need you to be a bit patient with me, because I'm not a media person. Yeah, I mean, I can't create a system that makes you listen to a video for half an hour or an hour without feeling bored. That's not my style. I'm not a media professional. I'm not a media professional because I learn from it and take your negative feedback and think about it, and I see if it is really true or if you are exaggerating. If it is really true, I review myself, and I am one of the people who reviews themselves the most, and it's completely fine. I mean, I have a culture of apologizing if I feel I made a mistake, even if it's a small part. I apologize. An apology from the higher authorities is not weakness. As long as you made a mistake, you must apologize. If there is information and I am wrong, I apologize for it, or I delete it, or I note it in another video that it was wrong. If someone is upset with me, I am sorry. I love you. Please don't be upset. I swear I don't mean to upset anyone. If someone was offended by my videos and felt that I am boring, I'm sorry that I couldn't convey the information in a way that satisfies your thinking. Forgive me, and I know I fell short, especially with the phone, so I'm sorry. I sincerely apologize to everyone, for anyone who called me and I didn't answer. It was beyond my control due to work circumstances. It's not just about recycling, but honestly, working with medical devices is my industry and my main profession. However, God willing, I will try to correct this mistake. I know it's a mistake and that it's not a good thing for someone to call me and I don't answer or even see their call. So in itself, that's something I apologize for. I apologize to everyone who called me and I didn't respond. Thank you all for the support. Thank you for every kind word said with love. Thank you for every view of video you watched. Thank you for the prayers you offer for me in the comments. Thank you, and peace be upon you, and God's mercy and blessings.